Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Tell us your morning to the faves. Awesome, say morning. You guys, we are on vacation. Kelly's on vacation and so am I. I'm forever on vacation.
Weekend, I should have said.
It's the weekend. And I am heading to a shop to pick up a package that they have for me. So I'm gonna jump out of this car, leave my husband and my child, and go get my package.
You have your phone?
Yeah. So this package. Ooh, this should have a shoe in here for me from Just Fab. So I'm gonna try and pick it up right now. Bonjour.
Moi je m'étale un peu, hein. Oui, vous traînez partout. Merci. Bon dimanche. Merci.
Bonjour. Voilà. Je suis ici pour un colis.
À Delaveaus?
Oui.
Allez. Bon dimanche.
À bientôt.
Au revoir. Au revoir. Mélissa,
Oui.
c'est bon.
Merci.
S'il vous plaît. Et merci, bon dimanche.
Merci, au revoir.
Au revoir.
Got my package. And now I need to go find my husband and my child. Oh, voila, got my package. So I have this this deal thing with Just Fab, and it was time to get our shoes. What? We're going to the surprise now. You ready? You ready to see where we're going? Yeah. All right, let's go. So I went and picked up I had ordered the shoes and it came really fast, so I'm gonna open it now to see what my shoes looks like. So while I'm opening this, just want to tell you guys to have a good day and to enjoy today's vlog, and hope you guys are blessed and doing well and staying love and motivated and positive and smiling and all that good stuff. But yeah,
it came fast the last time.
Yeah,
we took like a month. So.
This one came fast. I was expecting it to come already, but let me show you guys. You guys know that I'm not a heel girl. I like shoes, like sneakers type shoes, and since I'm anticipating my pregnant swollen feet, oh, it look big. This is the shoes that I ordered and I love it, but hopefully it fits.
You took it big.
Damn, I took it big because I know that with pregnancy my foot is going to swell, so hopefully it's just the look of it why it looks so extra big. I'm normally at 39 on my best days and I'm a 40 on my worst days.
That's
and
normally that's the belly that
depends.
Increase.
Right. No,
I'm talking about regular.
so I take it in a 40. Tell me if you guys like my shoes. I love it. I'm so cute.
Thank you, honey.
Thank you, baby. How are yours? And babe loves to feed in my shoe craving because he knows that's what makes me happy. So yeah, this is what I got myself. So cute. Tell her you love mama shoes. Yeah, you ready to go see a surprise?
Then we're gonna,
all right, let's go.
We're gonna start.
Hey, pumpkin! Hello! Boom, 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 boom! You can't go that way. So we're at the playground with Ty. He's so excited, having so much fun. Hey, look, you have to pay attention. Look where you're going, okay? You can come down through this hole. Yeah, that one. Beside you, in front of you, where the man is going. Right, that one that the man goes. You can go through that one. Where the little girl go. Yeah, yes. Come here. Go, go. Hey, look, I'm here. No, throw them through here, so. Voila. Good job, baby. Where you gonna go now? Go to the slide. Go, mama wait on you. Wait a Papa. See Papa coming. Look, see Papa coming. Tay, you have to go to the other slide. Go with Papa. Go on. That's where you walk to go to the other one? Ready? Come this one. Good job. Punch. Punch. You're gonna go again? Papa waiting on you up there. Go. Go under. Papa waiting for you, okay? Look at babe trying to keep up with Ty. Babe, you're trying to keep up? Ty! Babe trying to keep up. Not this one, not this one, okay? Turn back. Not, oh, you can come come to this part. Go. Go. Play boxing with that one. Come down. You can't come down, don't go in this one. Turn back. This one too dangerous. This one is not cool at all. Okay? He's gone. Papa can't keep up. Papa, you can't keep up.
I would like to see you here.
Me? You know if I was a pregnant I would. It's not easy, but yeah. Say hi to the faves.
I mean, when you won't be pregnant, I would like to see you here.
I will. You know I keep up. You know I can keep up with him. I'll probably be tired after, but it's a good workout. It's a full body. Yeah? No, no. It's not easy keeping up, right? Go, Papa, gone. Follow Papa, Ty. Follow Papa. This is so hilarious. Babe can't keep up with Ty. Tyler completely lost him. Look at Tyler winning. And babe, you lose. You lose. Go, baby, go, 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 go. Go, Papa, come in there. Go, run. Go, go, go. Go faster, Ty, faster. Leave him, Ty. Run, leave him. No. Go, Ty, go. That way, Ty, go fast. Go, Ty, go. He's coming, Ty, go. Go, Ty, go. Go, Tyler. Go, Ty, he's coming. Oh my God, I'm dying. I'm literally dying. Oh my God, Tyler lost him through this maze. There Tyler go. Her baby's behind him. Go, Ty. Go, Ty, he's coming. Who's that? Baby, I can't keep up. Ty, go through the tunnel over there. Ty, Papa calling you. Go, follow Papa. Go and pass him. Go, go. You guys, KFC called me, so of course I answered, and I'm having, we're all at KFC having, I wanted spicy wings, so I got it. Tyler is having his chicken tenders and ice cream and juice. And Babe's over there, grubbing. He's gonna have the same as me. So yeah, we're just here having one. Tyler had a blast at the playground.
It's almost 6 p.m. and Tyler is napping since like 4 hours now. So let's see if he's really napping. Hello. Hello.
It's morning.
It's not morning. You just nap super long.
Yes.
Yes. And you know what?
Yes.
You're the cutest baby. You're the cutest little boy when you get up. Look at Papa. Aww. You slept with Papa Chol? A lot of Papa Chol on your bed. You have a good night? Oh, that was not a little dodo. That was a big dodo. You're tired from this morning, the park? Because you run a lot at the park.
Papa, look. When I move like that, it's a mistake, Dad.
What is it?
When I move like that, it's a messy.
When you move like that, what is it?
It's messy.
Messy?
Yes.
What is messy? Is messy? Oh, you're all wet?
Yeah.
Oh, because you sleep like a little baby. How are you?
I want to wake up.
You want to wake up now?
Yeah.
And what you want to do now?
Manger des grosses avec toi.
What you want to eat? You hungry?
Yeah.
Yes. What you want to eat?
Mais papa.
Yes, Tyler. What you want to show Papa?
Who did this setup for me, not properly? Papa, viens. Viens, papa, regarde quelqu'un n'a pas fait correctement.
Oh. That's okay. You're gonna put it back the way it was, okay?
Yes.
Bye.
Boy, but come. Jace.
Oh, there was Chase. Chase was in the middle of the room, and Papa shoot Chase.
Yes.
So what you supposed to do? To put Chase back where it's supposed to be? In your Paw Patrol room.
Yes. That's cool. Ah, j'ai trouvé ma basketball pour mettre à la basket. Oui.
Okay.
Mama.
What a long nap that was.
Yes.
You slept long.
Yes.
You had too much fun at the park this
But
morning.
Mama,
Yes.
you know, I signed my book and the letter was not properly.
The letter was not properly. So did you fix it?
Yes. I only fixed the E.
You didn't even fix the E. You find the E.
You're gonna fix them later, okay?
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.
And as you can probably tell how drained I was from that day. Drained, like completely drained. So we basically ended it there. We didn't do anything else for the rest of the day because I was so tired, and so was Babe after trying to keep up with Ty. So I'm just coming in to tell you guys thank you guys for watching, and subscribe if you're new to our channel. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam, and stay tuned for tomorrow's vlog. Love you guys.